Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. Hi friends! So I have this to share for this Friday. It's a super cute little bag, like old-fashioned paper bag with those snowflakes and star elements. I'm using the Tags and Tidings stamp set and Thinlit die, which is right here. And also this paper, super lush. This is Joyous Noel, specialty designer paper. It's gorgeous and it has like little flecks of copper in throughout. It's phenomenal. The scoring is the same. So this is the beautiful paper. It's got copper snowflakes. I can't even. It's beautiful. So I have a piece here. It's 12 by 8, like I said. And I'm going to score at 2, 3, and 4, and 7 and 3/8, or sorry, 7 and 3/4, 8 and 3/4, and 9 and 3/4. I'm going to flip it to one side or the other and score at 1.5. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to score burnish the bottom. The first fold I'm going to do is the first fold towards me. So I'm going to make that into a mountain. The next one I'm going to go into a valley. Okay. The next one is into a mountain. All right, so far it should look like that. And then we're just going to do the same on the other side. So, and what I do caution you about is, this paper is actually really sturdy, so it's not going to warble, but sometimes thinner papers might warble, so just make sure that your edges are equal before you score, because sometimes just that little bit off, messes with everything. So that first one was a mountain. Now we're doing a valley. And then we're going to do a mountain. And in case you don't know what mountain and valley is, think of a mountain, right? So this is a mountain, and the bottom one here, the V going down, is a valley. So it's just how you're going to figure it out. All right. Oh, this bag is going to be so cute. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm choosing one side, so I'm just choosing the side closest to me. I'm going to put tear tape on the edge and all the way down. Okay. Whoops. Okay, so now we're just going to close it off. Perfect. Now, this is a little bit difficult. You kind of have to, I want this score line matching up with the score line in here. So, sometimes it's a bit of a wrestle. And then I'm going to pinch. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. So there's no cutting in this. Okay, so now I'm just going to really crease those edges down. And just because I have made this type of bag before, I'm just going to use my glue dots. And I'm going to put 4. And I'm just going to put the glue dots, slip it in underneath and press it down. Just because I found that sometimes the fold kind of flops up on you. You don't have to, it will work if you don't. And there's not really a place that I'm putting it specifically. I'm just trying to fold it underneath. There we go. All right, so you can kind of see, I just want to put adhesive on, well, this is the back, okay? So I don't want to put any adhesive on this part, but I will put adhesive on here that, you know, connects. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so I'm going to put adhesive here, just all the way along the ridge. I'll show you when it's done. It'll be much easier to explain. Okay, so I had adhesive on the back here, just a little bit right on the end, and then all along this, this flap, the front flap. So I'm going to remove the tear tape here. And then remove the tear tape here. Just like that. I'm going to stick my hand in and then press the rest together. Okay. So now we're going to fold it, and you can kind of see where it naturally wants to stop. And that is the spot. It's just like an old-fashioned paper bag. I don't know if y'all remember the old-fashioned paper bags, or we still get them at the grocery store as so, folds flat, really cute little candy bag, or whatever. You don't have to put candies in it. You can put a, you know, big present in it. But, so you get that proper little crease at the back. Super cute, right? All right, so how I'm going to decorate it is similarly, similarly in style to the other. Whoops. Okay, you guys know that I fussed with that for probably 10 minutes, right? I'm going to take one of these beautiful copper snowflakes. And I just have some leftover twine. So cute. All right, and I just have a little bit of twine left over, so I'm going to choose... There's so many of these tags. I heat embossed a whole bunch. I'll show you. They're so cute. I especially like this one, where you can put the string on either side and sort of strap it to a card. I like that idea. Let's see. I actually think that the Ho 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 goes really well because it has a copper snowflake, and copper snowflake is in my designer series paper. So that's the one I'm going to go with. So again, just looping it into a little knot to secure it so it doesn't waffle all over the place. All right. And then I'll just slip it on underneath this side of the bow. Super cute. So this is the 12 and this is 8, and then the 6-inch one would be 2 inches shorter than, or you know, it would be quite short. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.